Hello everyone, welcome back to Lady P's Inspire Home. If you are new to the channel, welcome. And if you are one of my return subscribers, thank you so much for tuning in. And today is Tablescape Tuesday. I am participating with the host of the Grace Life DIY Home Decor, and she has a guest today. And her name is Jubilee Tablescapes. And today's theme will be hydrangeas. So we are to decorate a tablescape and just use a hydrangea. I will leave a link below to the Grace Life Home Decor's channel and also Jubilee Tablescape and also the playlist. Please go over and show them some love. And if you would like to see what I have created with my hydrangeas, just keep on watching. Okay, so this is the end of this video. I would like to thank Anna and Jubilee for hosting this collaboration. And if you have not already done so, you like this type of content, hit that subscribe button. Join Lady P's Inspire Home. I would love to have you. And don't forget to hit the notification bell that you'll be notified of all the videos as they come out. I want to thank you for watching. Be blessed, everyone, to be a blessing.